Hello students, uh, this is the video for the biological importance of certain ions like sodium, potassium, magnesium. Students, these are the functioning of these ions in living organism. Biological importance means what are their roles in living organisms. Since we will discuss these certain points, you can also students write these points. I know that certain other points are there regarding their uses that you know very well, but I am going to discuss five points over here. Like number one is sodium. Sodium is helps to regulate the flow of water across the cell membrane, as well as sodium, potassium both are found in the nerve cell and help in the conduction of nerve impulses. Okay, whatever the nerve impulses are transmitted, there is a main role of sodium and potassium. And sodium is also help to maintain the electrolytic balance in body, like it is maintaining the sodium and chloride ions like NaCl in the form of NaCl also. So their sodium maintain the electrolytic balance in the body, that is the amount of electrolytes are balanced by the sodium. That's why it maintains the osmotic concentration of the blood. That's why you have heard कि अगर कोई हाई ब्लड प्रेशर या का पेशेंट हो या लो ब्लड प्रेशर का हो, तो हाई ब्लड प्रेशर के पेशेंट के लिए सोडियम है जो सॉल्ट है वो कम कर दिया जाता है, एंड फॉर द लो बीपी पेशेंट सॉल्ट है वो ऐड किया जाता है, and it helps in the transport of the sugars also as well as amino acids. Next is about the potassium. Potassium, well known example, that is it is helpful in opening and closing of stomata, and it is a cofactor of many enzymes. Means so many enzymes are able to work in the presence of potassium. It regulates the functioning of enzyme, we can say, as well as it also maintain electrolytic balance in body, as well as it helps in nerve conduction, as well as it helps in muscular contraction also. Okay, next one is about the magnesium. Student, magnesium, the chloroplast, that is we can say chlorophyll molecule which is present in chloroplast. So chlorophyll molecule, it is also made chlorophyll. Magnesium plays a very important role in the formation of chlorophyll molecule. It helps in regulation of cholesterol. It is also act as a cofactor of many enzymes, and it is also helps in the functioning of the muscle cells. It maintains the glucose level in the blood. It keeps the heartbeat steady. Magnesium also regulates a healthy immune system. So there are so many functions, students. Okay, students, thank you.